guys, it's your boy Jerrell, and I'm coming at you with a video teaching you how to get your first merch store launch for free.
I'm bulletproof, ayy. Trying to be like a bear and bear some fruit, ayy. I gotta get prepared cause Jesus coming soon, ayy. And this is for the warriors. We ain't riding with a battle.
Alright guys, I know what you guys are thinking. What's going on with my hair? My hair is freeform locks. I've never gotten them twisted, so I always have like a little fro underneath my locks. And they kind of do what they want to do every morning. Every morning it's different. Thought about getting it twisted, but I think freeform is just one of my personality and how I wanted my locks to look. So I'm going to teach you guys how to get your first merch store launched today in less than 20 minutes for free. For free. You don't have to pay a dime and you can start getting profit right away. You don't have to buy any clothes to get your stuff started. All you gotta do is design your clothes on teespring.com and post the listing, share your link, and then boom, as soon as somebody buys, even when you buy, you get money back, but when someone else buys, you get profit right away. So I'm gonna show you guys on my computer on how you get that started right now. Let's get it. So here I am on teespring.com/login. But what you want to do is go up here to create an account, but if you already have an account with Teespring, you just go ahead and log in. Boom, boom, boom. It's actually really easy to create a product. You just click here, this big button that says create a product. I recommend already having a logo or a design already made. You can design in Teespring, but I recommend just designing whatever you're going to design, even if it's just whatever you want to write on there. I use canva.com or Canva the app to create all of my logos. In order to get like a transparent background from Canva specifically, you have to get the pro version, which is like $12 a month or like $111 a year. So I do have the pro version just so I can design logos, and they do give you the first month free. So the first 30 days you can get free, and if you actually want to cancel it, just get your logo, create your logo in the first 30 days and cancel it. You're more than welcome to do that. But I'm actually going to keep mine because I believe I'm going to probably create more logos in the future. So you just pick a style that you want. I'm just going to do this classic tee. Shows you the base cost $13. That's your step one. Then your step two is add your image. So I'm just going to add this logo that I have right here. So that's just what it looks like. Very simple. Then after you upload your logo, you want to add as many colors as you want. So I'm going to add all these colors because I never know what someone's favorite color is going to be. And the more colors you have, the more sales you're more likely to be able to get, just because people might like different colors, and if you don't have their favorite color green, they might not buy. So this is always a safe bet. They got the save white, black, and the grays and the navy blues, which is great. I like those as well, and those are always safe. But having these other colors might increase your sales because a lot of people might like purple or pink or green, and so you have those colors available if they want those. So what I like about this is you can set your price. This is, they say $17.99. You can sell it for $17.99. But sometimes when your price is too low, when you offer a promo code, say you want to offer a promo code of 20% off, you won't be able to get 20% off because the profit margin is too small. So 20% of 18 is about $3.60. So you would only be getting, it would cut down your profit into like $1. They also take into consideration shipping, so I don't know if you would get all of your profit. So I'm going to actually raise this price, let's just say $21.99. And you really don't have to worry about the euros unless you feel like you have a fan base in Europe. So I'm just going to put it at $29.99 for euros. So that's what I set for those. Then you can select the first image that buyers will see. So I can choose the white. So that's like most popular. White and black are always going to be your most popular. Then you have the gray, but I'm just going to go with the white. So have your logo, boom, everything looks good. So I'm just going to click done, and literally all you do is click continue, and it'll take you over here to step 3, where you can also add other kind of styles. So this men's, they have 23 different styles. Women's, they have 12 different styles. You can just select other items that you want this logo to be on. So if you want a hoodie, you just click the little box right here to check it, then you click edit if you want to edit your price and colors. So that's what it looks like on a hoodie. Let's pick the colors. I want more colors than that, so you just check all these boxes. So now you literally have all these colors that people can choose from for your merch with your name and logo on it. So I think that's just super cool. So that's what it's going to look like. All you do is convert literally your logo to other items, which is very convenient and easy. And I'm just going to say, let's do 35. Let's try to aim around $10 profit, like $7 to $10 profit for each item. I'm actually going to post this if you guys want to buy this product just with the rail and Jerrell Wallace. It looks kind of clean. And then we're just going to go to continue. It'll take you over to step 4. So click continue right here. You're done. Those 2 items. And then you want to title your listing. I'm just going to title this Rail Classic. And also, in my opinion, if people don't really know who you are, posting you on a shirt, a lot of people may not be inclined to wanting to wear it unless they just support you. But if you just have like lettering like that, it's very simple, classy, and classic, that more people are going to be willing to buy something with just lettering on it versus an album cover or your face. I recommend having both, but unless you really have a huge fan base, you probably won't get as many sales with the album cover or face unless you just have a dope album cover that just like is a really cool design. But if it's just like your face on the album cover or a picture of you posted on a hoodie, it may not get as many sales because, you know, you're not as well known. People might not necessarily always want to wear it unless they just really support you. So my description is just something simple. Classic hoodie for the streetwear fashionist. And then it gives you a little URL, public, and then you go to publish listing. Then it takes you to this page. And by the way, you earn a profit on every sale. Like, you don't even have to pay for any of the clothes. Like, it literally takes what you would pay for each shirt out of the sale you make. So that's why I think it's so cool, because it's the quickest way to get your stuff started and your stuff uploaded on a platform, and you get profit right away. Like, your first sale, you get profit. You're not out of any money first to buy a bunch of t-shirts. So that's why I recommend this one so much. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's classic, and they also take you right to this to offer a promo code to boost sales by offering your fans a discount. For the first week of uploading this, you want to give everyone 15% off. And let's just say we want to have the promo code first week. Yeah, so you can just literally click here to activate it, and it's live. Just simple as that, easy as that, and that's really cool. So your URL will be like railworldmerch.teespring.com, something like that. But you can actually buy a domain from Teespring for your website. So I actually did that. It's $24 a year to do. You definitely do not have to do that, but I wanted my website to just say Rail World Merch, just so it's just easier to market. It's easier to say when I'm marketing it to my social media, and you know, it's memorable. Rail World Merch, you know what I mean, .com. So if I just say it, people will know where to go, versus if I say railworld.teespring, I'll have to just say I'll send you the link. So Rail Classic is live. You guys can definitely go check this out. So railworldmerch.com, we'll go ahead and go to railworldmerch.com. This is kind of what it looks like. And I got a bunch of different stuff up here. This is from my Good Vibes single. And I got this shirt. It's pretty cool. It has the album cover on the back. I personally love designing clothes, so I literally have a bunch of stuff on here. Even got like some designer style stuff, which, you know, I rack the price up for that. You guys can do the same thing. So I made like a designer line, which is pretty cool. You guys can check out all this, and definitely, you know, you can make your prices smaller. I even got something for toddlers, because I have a toddler. I even have leggings, you know, and crop tops for the ladies. So definitely explore your options with Teespring. You can really do a lot of stuff with it. And here it is, the Rail Classic that we just designed. It's posted and it's live. So you can literally go in here and buy, and I can literally pick the color I want. I don't want purple. Ooh, that pink is fire, but I want purple. It's like your size. And also, what's really cool about Teespring is that you can go all the way up to 5XL or 4XLT, and it's no extra charge. You know, you go 5XL, it's still the same price. Even 3X, it doesn't change the price of the item, which is really cool. I really like that aspect of it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. You can definitely check out railworldmerch.com and, you know, support me, support my music, support my brand. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and definitely, guys, go get your merch started up today. And like I said, if someone buys your products, you get profit right away. So you already got a product that you can sell, that you can send to your social media. Very easy to market when you get your own domain. If it's just catchy railroad merch, you guys definitely don't even have to get the domain, and keep it 100% free. That's what I was going to do at first, but then I thought about it. I felt like it would give my products more credibility if I had a website name that I made. And this, little logo, I made it on somewhere else. You can kind of set up your website how you want to, and you can even choose the colors of this bottom part down here. But also, one thing to note, that this stuff is secure, so that's another thing that I just appreciate about Teespring. It automatically does that for you. And for me, it actually took about 20 minutes before it actually became secure. For the first 20 minutes, it wasn't secure, but it ends up doing it automatically for you after you choose your domain. Wow, so this is my maroon sweatshirt. It's fire. This is actually one of my favorite ones, to be honest with you. And the material and the way it feels is super soft on the inside. So this is definitely, my hands are ashy. I'll be back. It might not pick up. Yes, it do. The knuckles was on moonlight. I had to put some lotion on. This is Renew Lotion. Hit me up if you want. Cause look at that. Renewed, baby. Alright. So this is my favorite sweatshirt. I love I love the color. This is a 2X, by the way. And it fit me, I think, really nicely. I love the way it fit. And the material is super soft on the inside. Definitely gonna get your money's worth with this. And it's well worth the price tag on it, just with the quality of the sweater. But also, representing me, it's definitely gonna be well worth it. So I appreciate you guys for checking out the merch. RealWorldMerch.com. I really appreciate you guys. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you guys for supporting me and my brand as an artist. And definitely get your own merch store started, and let's support each other. Let's help each other get to the top. With that being said, have a blessed day. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace! When I can finally see your face, and we stay ready for